Hi everyone, in this video you can see how to trace the design on the cloth material. Please subscribe our channel for learning Aari embroidery and check the playlist for previous videos. So now we can see what are the materials required for the tracing. There are two methods. So first method and second method. For first method I am using carbon paper, butter paper or tracing paper and design. So for the second method I am using kerosene and the tracing powder. I had drawn a design on the tracing paper. Now I had taken a peacock design. I traced from the printout. If you want, you can draw directly or print out from the laptops or computers. So next, keep it safe so that whenever you need, you can take it. So I had drawn a full back neck design on the butter paper. You can see this is the butter paper. I had folded off and I had designed one side. So I'll trace it on the other side. So I'll keep this as a mother copy. So whenever you need, you can take and draw. So for the first method, I'm taking the design and keeping on the cloth where I need. So it should be, after keeping it, we have to hold with the left hand. You should not move the design. Just lift the paper and insert the white carbon paper under it. So check whether complete design is covered with the tracing paper. So after that, I'm going to start drawing over it with a pencil. So you should be very careful because whenever you're starting the design, you have to hold with the left hand. You should not take the hands. Otherwise, your design shape may change or a part of the design will be one side and the other part will be on the other side. So till completing it, hold it with your hand and don't take the paper from the place. So until you finished, you should be on this position. So after finishing it, you can check just by lifting the carbon paper and you can check whether the design is there or not. If it's not there, you can, mostly it will be transferred. So this is the pattern for tracing using the carbon paper. But you should be aware that you should do this before tightening the Aari frame. That in the cloth in the Aari frame. So after that you can tighten. The second method, I'm going to prick the design with a needle. You can use a needle or a bill pin. Make a holes near to the other. You have to complete the full design with the holes. You can prick like this. So check whether your hole is in all the places. So if you have any cotton sheet or a sponge sheet, spread it over and then keep it above it and then make a punch. So it will be easy for you to make the holes. If not, when you're keeping on the table and punching it with the punching will be a little difficult because the needle does not go inside. So otherwise, keep it on the pillow or a sponge sheet and make the pricks like that. If you have a pricking machine, yes, there are machines available. You can use that also for pricking it. So I'm going to make this holes all over the design. You can check it by turning the design on the back side. You can check whether the holes are there in it. You can see. And then I'm keeping the design on the place where I need. So after that, I'm taking the bowl with the kerosene and the tracing paper. The kerosene should be, you can see how it's a consistency. It should not be liquid. It should be somewhat like this. Remove all the excess kerosene, squeeze it and keep the paper on the place and pin it. If anyone is there in your home, just ask them to hold, otherwise pin like this. Take the cloth and rub it all over the design. See how I'm doing. Hold it with your left hand and rub it. Don't rub fastly or don't move the paper, otherwise the design will be shaky. So complete full design with this kerosene. If you want, you can take second time the kerosene and the tracing powder and complete the design with this. It is more easier than the previous method, and you can do this when the cloth is fixed on the cot or on the frame. So use this. So make it allow dry for 10 minutes, and after that you can start stitching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.